Hello plant lovers. It seems that it's been a fuss about propagating succulents into a plastic bottle. So, of course, I had to test it. Does it work? Yes and no. It seems that you need some harder leaves in order to get some roots. Otherwise, like half of them just rotted. So the thick and the harder leaves seems to work and already had some roots after 3 weeks. So it seems that it is working, but not for all types of succulents. I will come back with a new video after I get some results.